Hey y'all, it is Friday. It's the weekend, baby. I ain't gonna be on here long. I'm just coming on to say hi. Welcome all my new subscribers. I went from 20-something to some of my videos getting 50-something. I'm just, the thing for me, like I say, is all love over here. I'm just trying to help somebody to overcome some of the things I've been through and explain how I got over it. Not over it, or how I got through. And people going through, like I say, sickness. A lot of people got cancer, and some people got spouses and children addicted to drugs and can't find jobs. Inflation, things are very, very high, but stay focused, stay grounded, know God got you. That's what we got to do. We got to know who is in control. All right? All right. I'm out of here. I ain't going to be long-winded today because I can talk a lot. Much love, y'all.